Welcome. Thank you for dropping in. Thank you for stopping by. I can never get used to this view. Flying over Kingston is always a breathtaking event for me. Beautiful island. Look at this landscape. Beautiful. Touching down. Final approach. Going to the Normal Manley International Airport. Ain't that something? Please remember, guys, like, share, subscribe. Welcome again. This is going to be another episode of Building My Dream House in Jamaica. Just a few overhead view. Just an overhead view. I'm pretty sure if you're new to the channel, you've seen it before. Frontal view of the building. This video is going to showcase work that has been done over the past couple weeks. Windows, doors, plumbing work, electrical work. These guys are just finishing up some work that's been done in the basement. We have enclosed a section where I'm going to use as storage area for water heaters, maybe generator. I'm not sure about having a generator under my house. I'd rather have it away from the house. But all other small equipment that is needed, I'm going to be using it in one part of the basement. This part I'm going to be turning in a 1-bedroom suite. I'm not sure if that's the right word for it, but yeah, it's living room, kitchen, and bath. So they were working on the flooring this day. So it's coming along nice. Excited to see the finishing product. So we're going back to the windows. I told you guys I'll be coming out with a video shortly. So this is that video. We're showcasing, this is the outside of the building. And just looking at all the windows. And a few normal doors. Nothing too fancy. But again, this is very wet climate kind of area. It's always raining, so I use metal doors on the back. But I just love these windows. I'm really pleased with the choice I made. Right here, you notice it's a little bit close to the bank, but there's going to be a retaining wall to the side right here coming up soon. I already dropped material to start construction on that, but we'll be having that soon, so we can start getting the yard looking like a yard. Still have material on the ground because again, it's an active construction zone. Still have gravel, sand, that kind of little stuff like that. Electrical, I have some nice these for the lamps on the front of the building, the veranda. Those electrical outlets on the top right there. These are just for the garage. That's my main breaker. So all the wires in the building has basically been pulled in. That's going to be working from this breaker box. Roadway going, that's the stone I dropped recently for the retaining wall. This is just another one of those lamp electrical outlet design that I have on the front. And you know, I love these privacy windows. You can see everything when you're inside, but when you're outside, you cannot really see anything. You got to be maybe put your face on the glass to actually even see a hint of anything. And this is just the front, the design. I didn't really want to go with the round columns, and I've said this many times, because it just looked like a church. I could be wrong. A lot of people love those columns, but I kind of rather the square ones. But now we're going to the inside of the building. So I'm just showing you guys the windows. In other words, a few different work has taken place apart from windows. The plumbing fixtures, or plumbing for the shower and stuff like that, has been installed and sealed in the wall. The reason why the walls are not smooth off in the bathroom is because the design for these walls are going to be floor to ceiling tiles. Grill work has been done in the building as well. I went for a low profile. These are squares and square grill or square bars. It's not a round steel, but I think the welder did a phenomenal job of creating some nice low profile, simple designs. Going into this is going to be the kitchen area. So the plumber did um, put the pipe in for those. Again, showcasing the windows and all the wires in the building has been pulled in as previously stated. So we're getting along quite getting the journey along quite speedily. This is the end closer for that staircase is still being worked on. Took a little bit longer than I really wanted, but they are working on it. So to get the building all closed up, but these windows really make the building dark. So I'm kind of glad that it wasn't covered yet because there's no light in the building as it is now. I'm shooting these videos. I actually have um, a light mounted on my forehead so I could actually have clear viewing. This is the back room. And again, you know, if you've been watching the channel for a minute, I already explained these areas, so I'm just kind of showing you the windows and everything that was installed and the grill. The front going towards the veranda, that's not grilled because the veranda is going to be grilled as we speak today, or as I explained this today. They should be installing those veranda grills so we can enclose the building. Master bedroom, I kind of freelance a little bit. I have them prime that master bedroom because it's basically finished. So I'm gonna have this master bedroom completely finished and locked up. So maybe I can start storing some stuff in the building there. Bathroom with grills, wires, everything is there. So I'm just gonna finish this. The trick is if I'm gonna finish this 100%, I gotta make sure I tile it. But if I'm gonna tile the bathroom, the master bedroom, I might as well buy the tile for the entire building because if you go ahead and buy tile now and tile tomorrow or tile the next day or a week after, a month after, chances are you're not going to get the same tile and you'll be having mismatched tile in your house. So it's good when you tile in your building, you get everything at the same time. This is going to be my washroom area. It's going to be enclosed as well. It's not going to be open straight out like that, but it's going to be done with drywall.